Welcome to our tutorial on how to change scheduled emails in Gmail on your PC. Let's walk through the process step by step. Begin by opening Gmail on your computer to access your inbox. Once you're in Gmail, navigate to the left panel and locate the Scheduled section. Click on Scheduled to view all your upcoming scheduled emails. Next, select the specific email you wish to change from the list of scheduled emails. Once you've chosen the email, look to the top right corner of the email window and click on Cancel Send. Now, proceed to make your desired changes to the email. At the bottom left next to the Send button, click on the down arrow for more send options. Select Schedule Send from the drop-down menu and choose a new date and time for the email to be sent out. Once you've set the new schedule, your changes will be saved automatically. By following these steps, you can easily modify and update scheduled emails in Gmail on your PC, ensuring that your messages are sent at the right time. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Gmail tutorials.